Okay, I'm back. Good morning. It's like 24 degrees out here. I'm a little better. They called off school for a couple of days. They did a full cleanup of the school. Because more kids were calling out sick than it was going. I think it was like 68% that was called out sick than it was going. So that gave an extra 2-day weekend. So that was kind of nice, but at the same time, then my daughter got up Monday morning not feeling good. So the closest that I could get an appointment was like on a Wednesday. Or was it a Thursday? Anyway, today's Friday. So she stayed out. She stayed out. And I said, oh, it's a cold. Really? Because she'd had a flu shot. I'm the only one in the house that hadn't had the flu shot. They were like, oh, you're like this close and it being pneumonia. I'm like, really? I didn't know that. Because every time I take the flu shot, I get the flu. I really do end up with a flu. So, I never take the flu shot. I don't want the flu shot. Because I end up sick as a dog. Every single time. Stand out in the middle of the street and look for traffic. Brilliant. But yeah. I don't take the stupid thing. Because I am sick. I mean, sick. So she put me on antibiotics. Gave me a cough suppressant. So, yeah. Put Jasmine back on her allergy medicine. She ain't too bad. All she's doing is just a little bit of sniffle sneeze. Summer was hilarious. She goes to the doctor and hell, it's over with. That's all it took was a doctor's visit. She was like, oh, I'm getting my medicine. Well, we don't need to pick up her medicine. It was the grandest thing in the world. She's already over it. She sneezed like twice. Coughed once. And hell, all that was at the doctor's office. She's over it. I had chills. Sweats. You name it, I've had it. I've got every single cover that I've got on the bed. My uncle's like, see what I mean, see what I mean? And I'm like, you know, just put everything that you got on the bed. Just forget about it. Put your long handles on. Crawl underneath the covers. Forget about everybody. You'll be fine. That's what I'm doing. Put some heat on. Well, that's what I'm doing. Because you can't bull everybody. Because once the temperature reaches up to a certain level, you know, I gotta breathe. But he's not that way. He will boil you. Because he let the car get up, you know, pretty well to boiling point. I can't breathe. I'm gasping for air. What's that noise? I can't breathe. He's like, oh, well, you'll be fine. No, I can't breathe. Okay, I'll turn it back. No, turn it off. Okay. You either turn it off or I'm popping the door. Because the windows don't work anymore. So, yeah. You know, that's your two options. The door or turn it off. So, yeah. Sorry. Two options. One or the other. Gotta do it. But, yeah. Got over that yesterday. Oh. I see Nosy felt sorry for him and let him out. Okay, I'm back at the house. I snail pasted. Okay, I'll let y'all go. Talk your ears off. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, he's not gonna play peekaboo. Maybe. Nope, he's not gonna play peekaboo. Well, let y'all go. Good morning.